Let's start with a chainsaw. The 62cc two-stroke engine rotates at 13,500 revolutions per minute, directly driving a 50 centimeters long bar. They process tree trunks with a diameter of 2 meters in just 30 minutes. For such a small device, that's already beyond imagination, isn't it? In negative 15-degree weather, loggers struggle to carry their professional gas chainsaw into the forest. The 72cc, 5.4 horsepower gasoline engine with a 24-inch blade rotates at 13,500 revolutions per minute. Quickly fell a large, uprooted tree, clearing the dangerous forest area. To cope with the natural disaster, the locals cut down all the large, old trees to prevent them from falling and causing danger. Gasoline chainsaw, 3.2 horsepower, 20-inch blade, 9,000 revolutions per minute's rotation speed. The 52cc gasoline-powered chainsaw consumes about 1.2 liters of fuel per hour and can cut through a tree trunk over 80 centimeters in diameter in a few minutes. They felled all the large trees during the stormy weather. The forestry expert is named John Deere 1270E. A 268 horsepower diesel engine drives a 20-ton chassis and a 10-meter crane for precise gripping, cutting, and measuring of tree trunks. In timber harvesting, hydraulics and a smart cutting head work together to help the machine maintain balance. Do you like this machine as much as I do? If so, please comment 1. Next came the appearance of the bulldozer, Cat D6R XL. With a power output of approximately 165 horsepower and a weight of 19 tons, the machine uses a large bulldozer blade at the front for propulsion. The steel chain system grips firmly onto the soft ground. Leveling and removing the thick layer of vegetation will make way for a new surface to be formed. The most versatile one is probably Cat 320GC. Weighing in at 21 tons, it features a 110 kilowatts diesel engine and an optimized hydraulic system. The digging tool pressed firmly against the large tree trunk, each slow, decisive push causing the ground to tremble repeatedly. Quickly fell the large tree.
Ow. Boom.
If you too are captivated by the silent power of these machines, then comment Hashon, let's share that feeling together.
Pra plantar a palma foi nessa área de terra aqui, ó, na capoeira.
Wheel loader with log grapple, 220 HP engine. The clamp securely holds a 1-meter diameter log and rotates at 360 degrees, while loading it onto a Mercedes-Benz logging truck. The 480 horsepower diesel engine can tow 40 tons of timber. The differential lock allows the suspension system to overcome slippery slopes with reliable performance and load-bearing capacity.
Bem feitinho e já era. Mas tudo é diferente da outra. Cada madeira é diferente da outra. Não sai, não adianta que não sai de jeito nenhum. Olha o jeito que a máquina tá dançando, ó. 2 horas da tarde, 2h30. E já deu uma secada bem no barro aí, galera. O jeito que tá...
Forestry log loaders are collecting large logs and transporting them to the collection point. The machine weighs 22 tons, has a 210 horsepower engine, 901,000 Newton meters of torque, and uses a 250 bar arm to grip the wood. The large logs cause the tractor to cut through the dirt or along the side of the road. Can you believe it? This machine can pull 80 tons of wood every hour. Oh my God. The forestry excavator, with its 210 horsepower engine and 9-meter extending hydraulic boom, is used to grip and lift logs onto a logging truck. The 450 horsepower diesel engine transmits torque through a 16-speed gearbox, pulling a trailer loaded with 25 tons of timber. While traveling through the air, do not check the distance before you see the abyss. Danger lurks at every turn. under slippery, snowy conditions. Forestry forwarder with engine 210 horsepower, load 1416 tons using a hydraulic crane, 10 meters. Drivetrain 8 cakes. Low pressure helps the vehicle maintain stable traction on slippery surfaces. It was difficult to move through the snow while collecting the snow-covered wooden planks. Unforeseen events. The military cargo truck attempts to navigate the large, muddy road. The 320 horsepower diesel engine driving the 6x6 maintains torque, but the slippery road causes the vehicle to inch forward centimeter by centimeter. Give these cars some extra support by leaving a comment. Watch how the mobile wood chipper shreds wood into fuel for reforestation. The 200 horsepower diesel engine rotates the blade shaft at 1,200 revolutions per minute, crushing logs with a diameter of 30 centimeters. The sawdust is sprayed directly onto the collection vehicle to transport them to nearby forest areas. Mounted wood chipper. The knife rotates 1,000 revolutions per minute, sucking up the wood. The entire process is continuous, reducing congestion, limiting dust, and rapidly transforming chaotic jungles into a valuable resource. From dense bushes to tree trunks, it dealt with them in a flash. Let's go explore a wood processing facility. Sawmill quickly and efficiently processed logs with a diameter of 2 meters. Steel saw blade diameter 1, 2 meters. Turn at 3, 0 revolutions per minute. Subscribe to the channel to continue discovering the silent machines shaping the entire woodworking industry.